What's going on, you beautiful people? ASwiftGamesta here. Today I decided that I was gonna just do a little install video on how to put LEDs in the map light of a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer GTI. So let's go ahead, hop right into it. So all you're gonna need is a multi-tool or just a nice little real thin flathead. Some LEDs. They're currently on, so we're gonna turn those off. Right here, we're gonna go ahead and pop this little cap off. And then it'll expose the bulb, because we're not gonna use those bulbs again. Just go ahead and pop it right out. You're gonna see the little prong. Alrighty, so that's what the LED looks like. Now, if for whatever reason, when you do go ahead and pop it in, if it does not illuminate, just take it out, flip it around, and reinstall it. And then, connect it like so, like that. Real simple. Cover off, bulb out, one pin in, push in the other, illuminates. Pop her on, just like that. Okay, so now that we got the dome light taken care of, let's go ahead and pop one in the trunk real quick just while we're at it. I do apologize for it being dirty. Let's go ahead and get us an extra light, all right? Disconnecting first is right here. Oh, come on, like that. And then right on the inside here is where the actual bulb is gonna be. I popped it out with the screwdriver and then it kind of flew onto the ground and the filament broke. Attempt to put the bulb, the LED bulb, back into this case. I do not know how well that's gonna work, so wish me luck. Got her popped in. It's like fitting 5 pounds of inside of a 1 pound bag. A little bit bigger than I thought it would be, but a reverse install, burn like that, and come on. In you go. Unless you don't want to go in, that's fine. Easiest way to do it is just go ahead and pop that cap off and then reinstall the connection into the back of the cap. And then like that. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. Easy install. I'm outside, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to tell the difference. If you guys liked that video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe for more similar content and shit of that nature. It's hot in this garage. I'm gonna go into the AC. Y'all have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye.